So you've got questions about golf cart windshields, huh? Well, you're in the right place, my friend. So a couple of things off the bat about golf cart windshields. Now, number one, there's some general rules about all of them, all right? Number one, most of them are gonna fold down. So that means when you get it installed, you've got some flexibility. You wanna have the wind flowing through your hair, just fold this bad boy down and get it clipped in, you're good to go. If it's a little rainy or cold, or you got the wind flying in your face, fold it up, get those clips wrapped around your roof supports, protected as the day is long, all right? So that's number one. Number two, they're gonna come in clear and tinted options, right? So if you're like, man, I hate the sun, bothers my eyes, tinted's the way to go. So we've got a tinted version installed here. If you're like, you know what, sun doesn't bother me, I wanna be able to see crystal clear, clear's the way to go. Now, when it comes to install, kind of some generic rules here because it can be a little confusing, right? So number one, you're gonna get some clips that attach on your front roof supports, right? These hold the windshields in place, and then on top of that, depending on your make and model, you're gonna get a nut and a bolt that holds on the bottom, or you're just gonna get more clips. So you can see on this model, we've got clips that go all the way around. Those clips hold the windshield secure in place, no problem at all. You're not gonna have any problem with that thing coming out. Now, those are the generic rules that kind of cover every windshield. But you may be thinking, are there any other options? Can I do anything different? Oh, you sure can. You can go impact modified, baby. Now, impact modified just means those windshields are super strong. So we have a 70-30 impact modified. That means 70% of it is impact modified resin, super tough, super strong, and 30% of it is acrylic. Super great blend of strength and visual clarity. And you may be asking yourself, now how strong is that impact modified? Glad you asked. All right, guys, we just dialed it up full speed. This thing is gonna go right through this bad boy, so let's keep an eye out. This is gonna be awesome. Oh my. I don't think you can get a more perfect circle. So clearly anything going 70 miles or over is gonna do some serious damage. So that is incredible. It is literally like, you can't get a more perfect circle than that. That is something else. All right. Well, now you know, genuine acrylic, non-impact modified. You get anything over 70 miles an hour, you got some damage coming, so be careful. All right, we're gonna get another windshield on here and get more testing done. Well, as you can tell, guys, I wasn't kidding when I say that those impact modified windshields are tough. They're kind of like your grandma's Tupperware. They ain't breaking, all right? So just to recap in general, golf cart windshields, one of the easiest accessories to install in your golf cart. You've got fold down options for driving flexibility, clear and tinted, whatever you want. And like I said, regular windshields, no problem at all. Those are great, but if you want the best of the best, impact modified is the way to go. So guys, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. That tells YouTube we're doing a great thing, really helps us out, and we will catch you next time.